It's currently like 7 in the morning. And I'm at the skate park. I only had like 1 hour of sleep. Literally 1 hour of sleep. Well, 1 hour and a half. And I had to take my sister and then drive over here like 30 minutes away. But it's worth it though, just because it's such a nice little park. Yeah, my phone's like really crappy, but hold on. Give me 1 second. Yeah. See like the little rail over there? But it's freaking wet too. It's not. Look at that. Oh my gosh, my phone is so bad. Look at that, it just changed. Like the screen is broken where you record. Oh, would you look at that? Look what I just hit. 166,000 miles. Wow, what a milestone. Nice board though, huh? Yeah, super sick, super sick. Oh yeah, and I was trying to look for, oh yeah, look at that. SpongeBob and Patrick, sandals. I was trying to look for my freaking wax. Looking everywhere, and I look at this. Oh my gosh, freaking mess. Sheesh. But I was looking for my wax and I couldn't find it nowhere. Oh yeah, there's my gummies as well. But I forgot that I had just thrown it, and I don't know how it ended right here in this corner, this pocket. Like, bro. And I'm so sorry about my freaking camera. It's just, like I said, it's messed up. Oh, that's not good. Oh my gosh, I got a stain on my shorts. Well, I'm not even worried about that. I'm just because my board is new, so I'm like, bro. I guess a rainy session, I guess. Oh my gosh. Oh, come on. I'm still trying to wake up my legs. That's my warm-up, but I guess not today. Jeez. Can't even record a video. This phone better not fall over. That 50-50 sucked, but it's whatever. Forgot there's people sleeping. Oh my. Horrible. Horrible. Suck at freaking front 50s so bad. I'm so much better at back 50s. Watch it. I look back at the video and I'm not even in frame. Like I was saying, oh my gosh, that looks even worse from here. The rain, or the, bro, I can't even talk, bro. It's 7 in the morning. But dang, yeah, I freaking suck at front 50s. I'm better at like back 50s. Oh, let me prove that to y'all. Let me prove that to y'all. Come on, stupid thing. Oh, sheesh. The rust is real. They both kind of suck, I'm not gonna lie. They both kind of suck. Hopefully I'm in frame this time. I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of the time I'm here for right now. Just trying to practice a little bit of more tricks. But yeah, it's kind of hard to film right now, that's why, too.